Hi guys, Dave Robertson here, aka Reset Robot. Here's a quick tutorial on how I processed one of the kick drums in the pack that I've made for the guys over at Audiotent. Hope you like it. I've got a sample here, sounding pretty boring at the moment, and I'm going to show you how I kind of go about processing this and getting it sounding a little bit more exciting. So the first thing in the chain I've got here is a filter, and one thing to remember as well is there are no rules of this kind of stuff. You just got to do your thing and see how it sounds and experiment. You know, this might not be a very conventional way of doing things, but it's how I've made this work. So just go with your instinct and yeah, have a play. So yeah, filter, then some saturation, which sounds pretty hefty. Then I've got an EQ, notching out this frequency, and then I've got another EQ, which I think, yeah, doing a low cut. You know, you could probably bring that down a little bit there. Then I've got this cakewalk compressor, which gives us a little bit more control. Quite a lot of gain reduction there, but I'm quite liking the punch on that. It definitely flattens it out a bit more. Then I've got a parallel channel here, which is just the dry signal again, but to that I've added a reverb, then a filter, and this reverb is actually in stereo, which I don't think you should do, but I quite like how it sounds, so I'm going to leave it. And this EQ here with a low cut, a notch out on that sort of resonant bit there, and then I've pulled down all those tops, and then an LFO tool, which is just pushing down the volume on the transient of the kick drum there, really, so they're not on top of each other. There is a bit of a pre-delay on that reverb as well, so that's kind of, you could make it more like that. So yeah, that's basically how I've processed a kick. Oh yeah, I've got this kick bus here, which is, take that one off, just a little bit more compression, pushing those two together. Yeah, just gives a little bit more punch. So yeah, going from that to that, something a little bit more interesting, and yeah, that's how I have processed one of the kicks in this pack. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.